Have you ever wondered why rivers do not always flow straight? Rivers are always moving, carrying water, soil, and tiny rocks. Some land is soft, and some land is hard. When water flows over soft land, it slowly washes it away. This slow process is called erosion. Over time, erosion makes the river bend more and more. When rivers meet rocks or mountains, they change direction. The earth itself is always changing, very slowly. That is why rivers sometimes leave old paths behind. Rivers help plants grow, animals survive, and people live.